Remove the main unit and all accessories. As the device is large, please exercise caution when taking it out. Install the left and right brackets according to the arrow direction. The Y-shaped bracket is installed at the back, and the H-shaped bracket is installed at the front. Install the emergency button bracket. Install the bracket on the other side. Install the handle. Both the handle interface and the device socket are numbered. Connect the handle with the corresponding number to the device socket. First, place the handle on the bracket. Align the handle connector with the device's connection port. Insert it firmly and rotate the knob until it points to the lock symbol. Ensure it is properly installed without gaps. Connect the power cord and turn on the power switch to start the device. Auto mode, manual mode, note: the first time the device is powered on, an alarm may sound, and E2030 may appear on the interface. This is because the emergency switch button is not released. Bytes handles AB work together for adjustment. Handles CD work together for adjustment. Give the emergency pause handle to the customer and instruct them to press the button if they experience discomfort such as excessive RF temperature or energy. Phase after adjusting R1, R2, and R3. Proceed to the next interface. Adjust the EMS and RF energy for the corresponding handles. Adjust the time, frequencies R1, R2, and R3 cycle in sequence. Press V2 switch between them. Abdominal muscle building and shaping. Select 1-2 flat handles based on the participant's body type. Secure the handles to the abdomen with straps. Note: avoid the ribs on both sides. Place the emergency pause button in the participant's hand and instruct them to press it if they feel discomfort during the treatment. Using the curved handle with the small strap, open the buckle on the handle. Thread one end of the small strap through and lock the buckle to secure it. Place the curved handle on the treatment area of the thigh, with the curved side in contact with the thigh. Wrap the small strap around the thigh. Thread it through the hole on the handle. Adjust the tightness and secure it with adhesive. Press start and proceed with the operation. Replacing the fuse. When a circuit fault or abnormality occurs, the fuse will melt to cut off the current, protecting the circuit and the device. If the fuse is burnt out, replace it.